the page, click Balances, and select Deposit History from the drop-down menu. Here we can watch for our pending confirmations on our deposit, and getting confirmations will be a prerequisite to begin trading. Now in my case, it took a few minutes for my deposit to even show up in this section, so give it some time before you freak. Once the necessary number of confirmations comes in the case of Bitcoin it's just 1, the status will change from pending to complete, and you're ready to trade. Head back to the top of the page, click the leftmost tab called Exchange. Find your desired market on the right. It's Bitcoin in my case, so I'll click the crypto underneath Bitcoin that I'd like to trade for it, which is BitShares in my case. I scroll down a bit to see the Buy BitShares box, and I'm shown how much Bitcoin I have to trade with and the current best price on the market for the trading pair. If you'd like to trade your whole balance and the current best price listed is acceptable to you, yes and yes in my case, simply click your full balance and the fields below will be auto-populated. Poloniex takes a 0.2% commission on every trade, which will automatically be calculated in, and then click Buy. Now in my case, there was enough BitShares available at that price that the entire trade went through immediately. But in the